Hello students, this is Vishal Pandey and I welcome you all in my YouTube class. So today we are going to start a new chapter from your geography section, and the name of the chapter is resources. Uh, now there is a question that what do you mean by resource, and how it act, and what is the use of resources, and what are the types of resources. Many more things are there. We will discuss each and everything we are going to discuss in this video, and I hope that you will understand the main peculiar line and length and everything about resources. So if we talk about a resource, you can understand a resource is anything. It is anything that can be used to satisfy human wants. This is the very easy definition, children. In spite of this definition, you will not get as much as easy as it is. So if anyone asks you what is a resource, you can straight away tell it is anything that can be used to satisfy human needs. So it is resource. Things which are present in the environment and which humans use directly. And what else about resource? और भी क्या हो सकता है? Like people use many things in the atmosphere. People use many things in the society, in environment. Everything is called resource. Things which human transfers into usable materials to satisfy their needs. People used to carry some portable things and they used to transform into one thing to another thing by recycling and all. Everything is called resource. Everything is resource. It is the utility of a product or service which makes it a resource. So altogether a product, or the importance of its utility, the product's utility is the one who make a product look like resource. एक कहते हैं ना कि ज़रूरत के हिसाब से if we are using pen for writing, suppose, so pen is a type of resource because it is useful for satisfying our needs. हम उसको लिखने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. कैसी resource है, which type of resource, natural or biotic or biotic, we will understand this later on. Humans add value to a resource as they are the ones who identify the use of the resource. So who is responsible, who is according to human beings, if human is not using resource, if we are not using pen, then what is the use of this pen? So altogether resources are only valuable when we use it. They transform it by using an appropriate technology and skill. Resources like land, rivers, plants, animals and minerals gain meaning and value only with reference to the wants of people. So these resources which is written over there, land, rivers, plants, animals and minerals, children, these all resources are considered under natural resource. We will understand because it is given to us by God, by nature. Minerals like iron and manganese became highly valuable resources only after human understood the value of steel and learned that it could be made from iron. Now tell me one question is there for you. Tell me one thing. Suppose we are using gold and diamond, then only it is precious. अगर हम कल से गोल्ड और डायमंड यूज़ ना करें, then it will be very cheap. एक कह सकते हैं कि एक वेस्ट थिंग हो जाएगा, ये वेस्ट मटेरियल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ह्यूमन बींग्स आर यूजिंग गोल्ड एंड डायमंड एंड मैग्नीज एंड आयरन एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर प्रेशियस. इफ डिमांड इज देयर, देन ओनली सप्लाई विल बी देयर. सो कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. However, not all resources enjoy an economic value. That is, we cannot put a price to it. For example, resources like metals have an economic value, while a beautiful sunset does not. Yet both satisfy human needs in different ways. Like there is a discrimination, children, in the importance of resources as well. Suppose sunset is a type of natural resource. It gives us sunlight, but it is you can take sunlight without paying any rupees to anyone, without paying any amount. You can sit and you can take sunlight straight away. It is equal for each and every creature on this globe. But if you want to buy gold, if you want to buy mineral also a type of resource, and sunlight is also type of mineral resource, but they are different in nature, they are different in cost, they are different in expectations. So if you talk about the classification of resources, there are broadly classified into natural resource, human made resource, and human resources. So basically classification of resources have been divided into three sections: natural resource, human made resource, and human resource. We will understand the classification in the live session, in the live virtual class. Okay, so take care, bye bye.